But at this point, I don't know. At this point, I really, really don't know what's happening with my cabbage. Maybe you're coming. I don't know. Maybe it's the soil. I don't know. Maybe I'll put extra soil on top here. I don't know what's going on. I don't know. And then yesterday I started my new cabbage seeds because I don't know what's going on here. Like on a serious note, guys, I would if I know what's happening here, it will be a lie. So I'm taking this one out, and then I'll put I'll plant the what you call, because you see nothing is happening. Like they're not even trying to do what you're supposed to do. Hi guys, I even forget to tell because this garden is stressing me. Like this is a stress. Your garden 101, or the snails are eating, or if it's not the snails, I think it's the birds. Okay, this one, it looks promising, but I have another cabbage that I want to plant there. But I don't even know where's my compost. Oh, my problems are too many. My problems are too many. And tomorrow is going to be cold front. Tomorrow is going to be cold front. So I have this situation ship here to cover the garden. Because I have new seedlings that I planted last week. I need space for that. Oh, so yeah, I need to cover this, and then after here, but okay, I need to plant first. I need to plant the cabbage first, and then after that we cover, ne? And then after that we see what else we can cover. Because I think at the back that side we need to cover as well. So let's see what we can do today. We are just doing normal garden situationship, and we'll see where we end. Because you see, I already added this still situationship. I want to. Ish, my thing is short. Yo, where did this thing put on? I want to put on chop. How should we let on to like for lebaka kamoso, like temporary fell. Temporary fell. Like it's something ne. Gore phefo ele ha itla ile ska kra gole mampona mo gardening, because wow. Wow, wow, wow. Cold front that is coming. Even at school, they told us to let the kids bring the blankets and stuff. Because there's a spinach in there, there's carrots in there. Who busy mo gardening? Wait, yeah, Make it sort of finger.
Huh? I'm just fixing it. But I was 16. Huh?
Okay. Nice and easy. Less than 2 minutes. So before you cover it up, I need to harvest the spinach first. It's too big and we don't have it in the house. So we are harvesting. This side, spinach loves this side. I think it's because it's warm and stuff. So
Yeah, accidentally went to 51.
you can do small pictures.
Okay.
Hey, the picture. What is her name? The whole thing. It's already the whole thing, you see? The whole thing. Now it's time for us to cover. Yeah, I know it. So I'm done with the side as well. So you see, it's easy. We are preparing for the cold front. So this is for the whole winter. So if you want to do this for all your small veggies and stuff, I think this is the best way I found working since I started this garden. See, so this has been working for me since I started this garden. This has been like a lifesaver, like a really lifesaver, because it's cheap, fast 150, 160. Your garden is safe. And did you see the cloth is very big? So yeah, I still have a lot that is left there, so I'm going to use it. The sun is so not nice. The sun is not nice, so I'm going to use it in small spaces there in the garden as well. I just wanted to show you that it's very doable for you to have a winter garden. You have no excuse, like really you don't have any excuse. If I can do it, me the lazy one, me the lazy one doing it, and then whether you say you cannot do it, I judge you. I judge you. Show me, I judge you. Let me go. I need to start cooking. This boy has a scooter here and he wants to ride it. So let me go. Ke le rata rati ke re ka lerato la True Love Magazine go tswa go nna Manyana wa Motswana go tswa kwa Rusty Dusty Mahlangi ke re tswele. Bye guys.